Spring in Shropshire. Boiling hot day in March. Water temperature is about 13 degrees. Well, it is 13 degrees. What a change. Pads are coming up. Fish have been rolling in the margins. There's been a few on the surface in open water, not many though. Time a duck comes down, it spooks them, so yeah, it's giving their position away. Birds again helping out. But, absolute craziness. And these ducks are going mad. I think they're getting a bit fruity, to be honest. But, yeah, nothing is yet. Snuck down the end of the week. Start the rotor again next week, so I'm off the lake next week, and the week after I can come back down, but I'll be going to France then. So whether I can squeeze another night or not remains to be seen. But that's why I've nipped back down for a quick night now. But oh, it's gorgeous weather. Not ideal for fishing, to be fair, but not bad for margin fishing. So I've seen a few, they look like they're cleaning off, to be honest. Yeah, it was freezing cold like 2 weeks ago. It was freezing, we had frost and everything. And end of March, it's like a switch, and it just gone boiling hot. So yeah, let's see what happens, eh? So you can tell the water temperature's coming up because of them pads. Absolutely unbelievable. Just reaching for the sun. So yeah, give it a go, eh? You never know. Fantastic time of day. Well then guys, morning. Frosty morning. A bit cold, as you can see from the mist coming off the water. I bagged one about an hour and a half ago. I'm just setting up to take some pictures, and I thought it might be handy for you to see how I set up on the boards to take a picture, self-takes. Right, I got my carp cradle wetted up, bucket of water, everything sorted, lined the camera up. Like I said, I might be able to show you. There's my camera. Seems to be focusing that well this morning. But anyway, I'll screw my bank sticks down with some stage stands, screw into the boards. A friend of mine made those up for me. Drop a bank stick in. I've got my camera thread on the side, and in my pocket basically I've got a little remote. I ain't quite got it on the right setting, hang on a second. There we go. A little remote, so I can take a picture of it. Okay. Simple as that. I'm going to drop my camcorder on that one so you can see best way to take the pictures, self-taking. It's all pretty simple, to be honest. I've set the flash up. I've got it on TV setting because the sun's just coming out. It's quite bright, so and I've just set the flash. I'll show you how I set the flash up as well. Or doing all this obviously before I get the fish out. So it's safe for the fish, and you get some nice results as well. So I'll just turn you off a sec and get you set up on the stand. Right then, don't know if you can hear me. I'll just set this camera up with a bit too much flash, so I'll show you how I set it down. Basically, I'll hold my hand out like that, take a picture, and you'll see obviously off the picture when I put it up on there. I'll do another one. Basically, if it's making my hand look glary, it's going to do the same to the fish, so I want to tone the flash down a bit. So I'll do that now. Right then, just turn the flash down. I'll take one like that, put my hand up, representing the fish. It's a lot better. I can see it in the little screen on there. So, yep, do another one. Got a nice background behind me, got some reeds, little tree coming in. I've got the lake, but there's not a lot of the lake you can see with it being misty, but to be honest, with that blurry background, it makes a nice picture. So I'll get the fish out and show you. Right then, got the fish out of the water, safely in the carp cradle. Just check the camera. Okay, fully work it. She's going to wriggle around a bit, I'd rather she do it in here. Tiny bit of water on her, make sure she's happy. The remote between those two fingers, I'm going to put the fin in those fingers there, so she'll be nice and happy. Pick her up, put the remote in the first two fingers. There we go. Water. One on for an headshot. Simple as that. So I'll just turn around. Turn around, a bit more water. Yeah, he's been forming now. Cracking. One like that. Nice straight on one for good luck. Simple as that. £22.8. Nice one. Safely done and safely back. Get her back. nice little result for a quick night. Had a bite. It could have been another upper 30, so you know, you've got to be in it to win it, haven't you? But it was a nice sized fish to show you how I do my self takes. I was going to do it last time, but I thought 39 was going to be a bit much of an handful for a self take. But yeah, not bad. Enjoyed it. Good little session. Basically, I fished it down the margin, and I pretty much had a mixture of sizes. Probably I didn't put much down there, to be honest, because the sun was baking hot yesterday, as you saw. And there's a few fish in the snags and that, so obviously the fish were there. So generally, if the fish are there, I don't want to be piling bait on the top of their heads. So I think I'll put down maybe a good half a dozen of half baits, and the same amount of little barrels, and then the same amount of little 10mm black. Just peppered a little area, and hopefully, you know, draw them in, give the lake bed that nice smell. The monster squiddy smell, and just popped a rig on it. So simple as that. And then probably just on first light, maybe half an hour before first light, I had a bit of a twitchy take. Dropped the lead off actually, because I was fishing near the pad's coming up now, so I wanted to drop the lead. And to be honest, you could tell it dropped the lead because it didn't quite know what to do with itself. It didn't run off. It just a few bleeps. Bobbing come off, and just sat there for a while, and I picked the rod up, and he sat there on the end. Obviously he thought he got rid of the hook with the weight coming off, but obviously he didn't. So yeah, nice little session, enjoyed it. So yeah, packed up now. I've got to be off for 12, the next rotor's coming down. So I'll see what France brings me over at Lake Sebastian. So I'll take my camera with me actually, so if I get any whackers, I'll get some footage of those as well. So hopefully I'll see you next time with a kipper. Good luck with your fishing, lads. I think to finish on, there's no hard and fast rule, to be honest, with photography. Like I say, rules are meant to be broken, and like, you know, the TV setting, that's very fast shutter speed. Obviously it's going to make it a bit darker, so I'm going to need a bit of flash. So, you know, whatever settings you want, you can get round by doing something else for what effect you want. You know, you can get some great effects by bending the rules. To be honest, if you find it all a little bit confusing and you just want it on auto setting as a nice little way, because you can't adjust the flash on auto. So basically, yeah, how I'd get around that is if the flash is a little bit bright, just move back slightly, and obviously the flash is a bit further away, and and just zoom in, so you get a little bit less flash on the subject. So keep that in mind, and enjoy your fishing, enjoy your photography. I'll catch you later.